putting together a pecan pie cobbler. So this isn't a real hard dish. We've got our pellet grill cranked up at 375 degrees. We went ahead and melted some butter, just one stick of butter over here. So, but we'll assemble all these together and get it mixed in there. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our pie crust. So we've got 2 pie crust here, Pillsbury pie crust. We're gonna take one of them, we'll roll this guy, unroll it, stick her in there. Basically, we want to cover the bottom. So we'll move that guy to the side. So 2.5 cups of corn syrup first. Maybe 1 cup. All right, next we're going in with light brown sugar, 2.5 cups of it. And a half. Give it a little extra. We'll whisk that together. Pour in our butter. Our melted butter, just 1 stick, which is 1/2 cup. We'll get our eggs in there. The one-handed egg. Probably should use a better whisk, but this guy's gonna work. See how she's coming together? 4 teaspoons of vanilla. 1, 4. Get all that incorporated, get that stirred in, and then we're gonna add some pecans to this. Stir it up pretty good. 2 cups of chopped pecans. 1 and 2. Get that stirred in there. That's our filling. So we'll get our pie crust over here. We're gonna take half of our mixture here. We'll take half of our mixture and we'll put it here. We'll save the other half for later, but first, just scoop it out. So after you've taken half of your filling and put it in here, open your other pie crust and lay it right on top. So once we get this guy laid in here, we're gonna just give it with a light coat of duck fat. You can use any cooking spray. We're using duck fat. So now we're gonna take it and we're gonna go put it on the pellet grill. We've got the pellet grill running at 375. So we're gonna stick her on there for probably 30 minutes or so, and really just wanna get this top layer kind of start to color up, and then we'll pour the rest of it in, and we'll line it with pecans. All right, we're getting our pellet grill ready with these Royal Oak charcoal pellets. So we'll pour some in here and make sure we have enough. Way up. Slide her in. Put it on the pellet grill. We're cooking over Royal Oak charcoal pellets. This is 30 minutes into it. We wanted to make sure this crust is nice and brown, so crust it up. So we were at 375 for about 30 minutes. And now we're gonna go back in with the rest of our topping. And we've got these pecan halves that we're just gonna place in here. You know, and you don't have to do them like this. You can do them any way you want. But for a decent presentation, we're just gonna line them all around the edges. Takes a little while to do it, but for the holidays, it makes a great presentation. If you just take these pecan halves, take them all the way around. We've got our pecans laid out. We poured our filling in, put pecans on top. This cast iron's still warm, so we're gonna glove up and take her back out and stick her on the pellet grill. But like I said, you don't have to arrange them like that. We do just to, like I said, give it a little more fancy look around the holidays. But just pulled her off, so she was on, I think, for 30 minutes, 350. So first we did 375 for 30 minutes, pulled her off, did another 350 for another 30 minutes. And now the hard part, we gotta let her rest. So we'll be back in another 15 or 20 minutes to let this guy rest. That's the, like I said, the hardest part, probably 15 or 20 minutes rest time, and we'll be able to dig in with some ice cream and some pecan pie cobbler. Get the dog over here. She's rested. It's been probably, I don't know, 30 minutes. We let her rest for a good bit, but yeah, we got kind of two worlds coming together, pecan pie and cobbler. And we're gonna throw ice cream in the mix. So we're gonna dig out a little bit. Give us a little more ice cream. And we're gonna come in here, get a little bit of that, maybe even a little bit of that crust. I'm kind of a crust fan. A little bit of ice cream, a little crust. Y'all need to make this delicious. If you like pecan pie, you like cobbler and ice cream, can't go wrong. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.